Hello dear students, welcome back to the channel Train Your Brain with Ansh 03. With the days interval that was Saturday, Sunday, a weekend. Hope you have enjoyed the weekend. आप लोगों ने मज़े किए होंगे. मज़ों के साथ साथ जैसे आपने देखा है नीट तो आपने देख ही लिया. जो बच्चे नीट के लिए प्रिपेयर करना चाहते हैं, so be prepared for the best. Try your level best. These are the footsteps. Initial footsteps which you're going to take for your competitive exams. Best of luck, and let's start with the chapter of exercise 18.2, sum number 3. Let's start with sum number 4. Find the volume of the cone given. Height is equal to 5 centimeters. Perimeter of the base is 8 centimeters. The first one. The conditions are height and perimeter of the base is given. Perimeter and the circumference on and on, I'm telling you it's the same. So height 5 centimeters, perimeter of the base is equal to 8 centimeters. What is it? It is the circumference, okay? Perimeter and the circumference is the same. So using the formula, 2 pi r is equal to 8, 2 into 22 over 7 into r is equal to 8. We'll calculate the radius with this first. 8 into 7, 2 over 22. Okay, 2 ones are 2 fours are 2 11s are 2 2s are, so it gives you 14 over 11 is the radius. We'll find the volume with it. Volume is equal to 3 pi r square h. See, on and on I'm writing the formulas. It may sound very boring to you, but at the same time, with this you can easily memorize along with your practice. 22 over 7, r square given is what? We found 14 over 11 into 14 over 11 into the height, that is 5. 11 ones, 11 twos, okay? 7 ones and 7 twos. Give you 4 into 14 into 5 over 11 into 3 into 14 into 5 will give you 280. This we'll divide by 33. On division, 280 divided by 33, 8 will give you, okay, then minus 7 6 1 6 0 with the point. 33 into 4 will give you 3 4 is 12 and 12 32. 132, yeah, 132. 4s will give you 130 minus 5 1 8. 280 we know 8.4. So the volume is 8.48 centimeter cube. The volume is equal to 8.48 centimeter cube. This is going to be your answer. So the second one they have given is height is given to you is equal to 8 meters. Area of the base is given is equal to 156 meter square. See, I stay back in a rural area. उसकी वजह से ना ये थोड़ी शैडो की प्रॉब्लम आ रही है हाथ की. थोड़ा सा प्लीज़ इग्नोरेंट हो जाइए उस चीज़ को लेके. यहाँ पे सेकंड सम करेंगे, वहाँ पे दिया हुआ है हाइट दी हुई है 8 मीटर्स, एरिया ऑफ द बेस दिया हुआ है, उस हिसाब से हम रेडियस फाइंड करेंगे पहले. एरिया इज इक्वल टू 156 pi r square is equal to area is equal to the formula is pi r square. Okay, so 156 is equal to 22/7 into r square. 156 into 7/22 will give you r square. 11 2s 11 sorry 2 11s कर दें, हाँ 2 11s करते हैं, 2 11s and 11 ones, 2 7s is 14, 2 8s is 16, so 18/7 will give you r square will give you as 540 over 10. Okay, r will be under root 540 over. Now coming on to the volume is equal to we could leave r is equal to 540/11 under root, but at the same time to make it even more easier I somehow feel, देखिए सम्स पहले नहीं करके रखे होते, इसलिए 156/pi is equal to, see to make the calculation even more easier, we can just keep it 156 pi is equal to r square. So 1/3 pi r square h is the formula for the volume. 1/3 into pi into 156 pi into h is given 8. Pi gets cancelled over with pi. 3 ones, 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are. So volume calculation is easy. 52 into 8 will give you 8 2s are 16, 1 carry over, 5 8 is 40, 416 centimeter cube. So the volume is 416 centimeter cube. Okay, with this we end with. Coming on to the fifth sum, find the area of the curved surface of the right circular cone given the perimeter of the base is equal to 88 centimeters and the slant height given is 2 decimeters. So decimeters will be converted into centimeters. Okay, circumference or the perimeter is equal to 88 centimeters. Slant height is given as 2 decimeters. Conversion of it into centimeters will give you 20 centimeters. So circumference formula is 2 pi r. Okay, 88 is equal to 2 into 22/7 into r will give you 88 into 7 over 2 into 22. 11 2s, 11 8s, 2 1s, 2 4s, 2 1s, 2 4s will give you 7 2s is 14. R is equal to 14 centimeters. Okay, coming on to the curved surface area we are supposed to calculate is equal to 2 pi r. L is already given to you, that is 20 centimeters. 2 into 22/7 into 14 into 20. 7 ones and 7 2s will give you 2 into 22 into 2 into 20. So nice 2 to 2s all over. 22 2 is 44, 44 2 is 88, 88 2 is, let's calculate. Let's not be all that a genius. 8 2 is 16, 1 carry over, 176. will give you 1760 centimeters square. This is going to be your curved surface area answer. Okay, coming on to the fifth question. Again, the second part for it. The first we have done, second with the next. Find the total surface area. Here you have calculated and then given radius is equal to 6 centimeters, height is given as 8 centimeters. You're supposed to calculate the TSA. Okay, L first. We'll have to find L as well first. L square is equal to R square plus H square. L square is equal to R square is 6 the whole square plus H the whole square 2 square. Will give you 36 plus 64 is equal to 100. L square is equal to 100. L will be 10 centimeters. With the 10 we'll calculate the TSA, the total surface area, is equal to pi r L plus R is equal to 22/7 into R is what? R is given to you 6. L is what? 10 plus 6. Okay. Will give you 22/7 into 6, 16. Okay, will give you 2112. Let's calculate properly. I think it's 2112, but let's calculate. 16 into 6. 6 is 36. 96. 96 into 2. 22, sorry. 6 2s is 12. Again, 9 2 is 18. 192. 192. 2, 9, 11. 2112. Okay, 2112/7 will give you 301.71 centimeter square. This is going to be your total surface area on division with 7. Coming to question number 6. It's got again 2 parts. The volume of a right circular cone is 660 centimeter cube and the diameter of its base is 12 centimeters. Calculate the height of the cone. See, there are given 3 parts. The height, you've got to calculate the slant height, then you've got to calculate the total surface area of the cone. So, solution for it. Given volume is equal to 660 centimeters cube. Diameter here is given 12 centimeters. That radius will be half of diameter is equal to 6 centimeters. Okay. We will calculate the height of the cone. Volume is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. Okay, volume is given 660 is equal to 1/3 into 22/7 into 6 into 6 into h. 660 into 3 into 7 over 22 into 6 into 6. 6 1s, 6 11s. Okay, 11 2s, 11 10s. 2 1s, 2 5s. 3 1s, 3 2s. So pi 7 is 35/2. On calculating, we get 17.5. Height we get as, the first answer height is asked, we get as 17 point. On calculating, we get 17.5. Height we get as, the first answer height is asked, we get as 17 point. Issues, I was, due to some technical issue, I solved the sum on my own. I got L square is equal to R square plus H square. We get it as 342.25. Then L we get as 18 18.5. 18.25. Yes, 18.25 equal to the slant height which we obtained is 18.25. This is going to be a second answer. With this in connectivity, they have asked you, third is the total surface area. Total surface area is equal to pi r plus L. We obtain it as 18.25. TSA is equal to total surface area we are supposed to find is going to be pi RL r plus L, 22/7 into r is 6 plus 18.25. we get as 457.28. 457.28 centimeter. So with this again I end up with the 3 sums. Tentatively tomorrow we'll try doing even more sums, add on 2 sums, randomly 5 sums. Okay, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.